Hi everyone, this is our math session. Well, today we're gonna learn how to calculate the surface area of a pyramid. This is lesson 14, lesson 3 in chapter 14, and the page is 721. Well, when we say the surface area of a pyramid means that we will calculate the area of all the faces of the pyramid. And as we also said before, that the pyramid that we are covering this chapter are two kinds of pyramids. The square pyramid, which has a square base here, and this square pyramid has a net which looks like this one, a base, a square base, and four triangles. So when you find the surface area, you will find the area of the base. Then you will find the area of each triangle. And instead of finding the area of each one of them, I know that all of them are equal. So it is enough to find the area of one triangle, which is this one, for example, then multiply it by 4, which are the 4 triangles here. Then finally you will add the base to the area of the base to the area of the 4 triangles. Well, this is for the square pyramid. What about the triangular pyramid? Well, to calculate the area of the triangular pyramid, you just need to calculate the area of the base, then multiply it by 4. And the reason is, let's take a close look at the net of the net of the triangular pyramid that you're gonna study this year will look like this one. All the triangles are equal. When you fold these triangles together, you will get a triangular pyramid. So it's enough to find the area of one of them, then multiply it by 4 to find the area of all of to find the surface area of the pyramid. Let's see how are we going to apply this on our lesson today. This is page 721, and you have to calculate the surface area of this triangle. Now here he said draw a net for it to find the surface area. Well, I know in advance that this triangle has 4 sides equal. For example, I have this side, so I will just calculate the area of this side by you just multiply 10.4 by 12, then you multiply it by half. Why by half? Because the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So by multiplying 10.4 by 12 by half, you will get 62.4. This 62.4, it just represents the area of one triangle. So to find the area of all of the triangles, or to find the area of to find the surface area, you just multiply 62, just multiply 62.4, you multiply it by 4, which is the number of faces of this triangle, which is 249.6, and remember the unit, which is squared feet. Sorry for the handwriting, but it's not easy to write using the touchpad of the laptop type. Now here, this is for question 2. What about question 3? Well, this is a triangular, this is a rectangular pyramid, so the net of the pyramid will look like this one. A base, a square base, and 4 triangles. So remember, you will find the area of the base first, then you will find, which is this one, then you will find an area of one of the triangles, then multiply it by 4. So the area of the base equals 10 times 10 because it is a square, so it is 100. Now the area of one triangle is half times the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 12. The answer is, yes, exactly 60. 60 is one triangle. I have 4 triangles, so the area of the triangles is 60 times 4, which is 240. Then, as you can see, we found the area of the base, which is 100, and we found the area of the triangular faces. You just add them together, you will get 340 squared feet. Well, this is the area of the square pyramid. Same thing in question 4. You will do the same thing, just find the base, then find the area of the base, then find the area of one triangle, then multiply it by 4, then add it to the base. You will get the answer of 36. Please check out your work and tell if you're gonna have the 36 or not. Finally, here you have the pyramid, which is a triangular pyramid. Well, what you're gonna do is just to find the area of one of them. So find the area of one pyramid, of one triangle. Just multiply 8 by half by 6.93. When you multiply all of these numbers together, you will get 27. Oh, sorry, you get 72. 27.72. This is the area of one face. Then by just multiplying this number by 4, which is the number of faces, you will get the answer of, yes, 110. This looks like a 6. 110.88. Okay, let's move to the next page. Well, in this question, he said that you can draw a square pyramid, and its net is represented in the umbrella here. So complete the net by filling in the dimensions or the missing measurements. So this one here is the 3, and the height is 5. Then he asked you to find the surface area or the amount of fabric needed to make his umbrella. So it's just simply you're gonna find the area of one triangle, base times height, then multiplying this number by 4, then finding the area of the base. You will have the answer of, yes, 61.5 squared feet, which is the amount of fabric needed. Well, in question 8, here he says, what is the area? Sorry, the area of the triangle here is 48 square feet. What is the height? Well, the area is 48. which equals half times base, which is 12, times height, which is unknown for us. Well, simply half times 12 is 6. 6 times the height equals 48. So what is height? Yes, the height equals 8 feet, because multiplying the 6 by 8 gives you the area of 48 square feet. Well, finally, the next slide will be the last slide. Yes. In question 11, what is the term used to describe any point where 3 or more edges meet? 3 or more edges meet. The point is called, yes, it's called the vertex. Okay, and finally the last question states that which net represent a pyramid. Yes, this one has 2 bases, so it is not a pyramid. This one has also 2 bases, it is not a pyramid. Those two are triangular prisms, and the pyramid is this one. It is a triangular pyramid. Well, that was all for today's lesson. Just practice more, you're gonna be good at it. Thanks for watching.